How's it going, everybody? Since this whole coronavirus, COVID-19 has got us locked up in the house and we can't go to our favorite Korean barbecue restaurants, we decided to go ahead and do it right here in the house. Take a look what we got here today. We've got pork belly, Korean barbecue short ribs right here, lamb, ribeye, salmon belly, bulgogi here. Of course, our sauces here. Over on the sides, we got our rice, steamed egg, kimchi, cucumber salad, green onion salad, and lettuce, of course. Got a nice smokeless grill right here in the center of the table. Basically, we've made an entire restaurant set up right here in our dining room. All right, guys, we're gonna dig in. Have a good night. Cheers.
Smile, babe. It's a video.
Yeah.